If you're signing a new lease this year, you might have more protection than before. A Georgia law that took effect this summer requires out-of-state landlords to hire local help. The goal is to make sure tenants can reach someone when problems come up. Hunter King explains how it works.
Marquita Harvell recently moved out of her rental in Bloomfield. She says her landlord wouldn't fix problems in the home even though she had already paid her rent on time every month.
It's hurtful. It's hurtful because if I could pay my bills, then you should be able to come in and keep up your property.
Housing advocates say Harvell's situation is common. The Better Business Bureau in Macon says they've handled hundreds of landlord-tenant complaints this year.
For example, you've always paid your rent at the office and now there's no one at the office. Or they're requiring now that instead of paying, you may have always paid in cash or a personal check. And now you've got to do something different.
Blankenship says out-of-state landlords are becoming more common as property management becomes big business. That's where the new law comes in. House Bill 399 requires out-of-state landlords who own single-family homes or duplexes to hire a licensed property manager. If that manager is also out of state, they must employ at least one person located here in Georgia.
Anytime there's something that can help protect our consumers, man, we're all for it.
Blankenship says the BBB advises renters to read their lease carefully and check out property management companies on bbb.org before signing. And here at 13 WMAZ News, we also have our own tenant guide online that might help you out some. Reporting in Macon, Hunter King, 13 WMAZ News.
The law took effect July 1st. It applies only to out-of-state landlords who own single-family homes or duplexes. It does not apply to large apartment complexes or landlords who live in Georgia. There are a few other laws making their way to the Peach State in 2026. That includes Senate Bill 35. It requires homeowner insurance companies to provide 60-day notices before canceling their policy. That's up from the current 30-day requirement. House Bill 567 will allow teledentistry for Georgians, and House Bill 69 will require anyone who's funding a lawsuit to register as a litigation financer with the state.